Ah, Coachella, the Super Bowl of aesthetics, the influencer Olympics, the Woodstock with Wi-Fi. But here's the question that actually matters. Is it genius or total brain rot? Let's start with the positives. You can't deny the musical gravity. Coachella brings together acts that span generations and genres. It's a music nerd's paradise. The Weekend 1 minute, Blink 182 the next, and maybe even a hologram of Tupac for good measure. Then there's the art. You're not just watching concerts, you're walking through giant robotic butterflies and surreal installations that turn the desert into a gallery of the future. Add some avant-garde fashion, and boom, you're basically living inside Pinterest. And let's not ignore the cultural clout. Coachella is the unofficial starter pistol for the summer trend cycle. Whatever's popping there, expect to see it everywhere for the next 3 months. But hold up, because not everyone's vibing. Some say it's turned into a content factory. The music, background noise to the real performance, the Instagram story. Plus, have you seen the prices? Tickets, travel, food. Unless you're an oil prince or a TikTok megastar, your wallet's not surviving the weekend. And the worst part, that existential moment when you're stuck in the heat, dehydrated, 40 rows back, staring at someone's phone screen instead of the stage. All for what? A blurry video you'll never watch again. So is Coachella a mind-blowing festival of music and art, or just a sunburned selfie hunt in the desert? You tell us. Drop your verdict in the comments. Genius or brain rot? And hey, if you're still vibing with these hot takes, smash that like button, like it's a VIP pass, and hit subscribe so you never miss a trend trial. Thank you for all the support, and see you in the next one.